Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Redux mod in FiveM. If you guys play in any RP server and you want your game looks lot better, then you are in the right place. Just keep following me and you'll get the better graphics in your game. At first, back up your FiveM. If you don't like the graphics, you can restore your settings. To back up your FiveM, go to the FiveM file location. In here, click on this local button. Now just copy this folder, paste it to another drive or another folder so you can restore it. Now moving on to the next step, go to the link in the description. You will see a Google Drive link. Click on that Google Drive link and you will see this page. After you came here, click on this download button and your download will start. After downloading, you will see this file. To extract or get access to this folder, you need WINRAR. I will leave a link in the description for WINRAR also, so you can download WINRAR from there. After you installed WINRAR, double click this. Now go to your FiveM location. I have it on desktop. Open file location, go to app data, go to citizen, common, data, open up your that file WINRAR. Go to common, data, and select all this file and drag and drop in here and replace it. Now go back in that folder and go to x64. Now go to your GTA 5 game directory. In my case, I have the Steam version. This is my game directory. After you came here, go to this x64 and open this file and just drag and drop and you are done. Now you can go and play your RP server and you will find the result. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have fun, take care, peace.